Okay guys, so since I couldn't find anything on how to take this specific make and model apart for this ice maker, I'm doing a video now on it. This is the IMN1010-UL model. It's a nugget ice maker. So I've already gotten the top taken off, which was very tricky. I couldn't find any videos on it. So what I did was I took this lid where they have little inserts here, and it looks like it was just supposed to slide back, pull it straight back, and when I opened up here, this was covered in residue, and I'm working on cleaning this out here. Now, if I knew how to do this before, this would have been cleaned more often. So, on the next video, I'm learning how to take this thing apart as I go, and I just wanted to post this to share with everyone else here.